everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix, pretty much everyone's favorite. In case you don't know what Stitch Fix is, give them a $20 styling fee. They're an online styling service. They'll curate a box of 5 items, keep what you want, send back what you don't. That $20 gets applied to your whatever you decide to keep. If you don't keep anything, you're out your 20 bucks. However, I have the styling pass. I paid one fee of $49 a year. And that fee lasts through the whole year. I can get unlimited fixes and it still works the same way where I can apply that $49 to whatever I decide to purchase. It is a win-win situation. That way I can get so many fixes and I get free shipping both ways. And if I don't like anything, I send it back and I'm not out any money. For that reason alone, it's probably my favorite styling service because I'm not out any money if I don't like anything. Well, really, probably Front Door Fashion, because Front Door Fashion works the same way, but Front Door Fashion is so expensive, I can only keep like 1 or 2 items from it. And they also charge Front Door Fashion does charge a substantial fee before they ship it, which can be refunded. But Wantable, Trendsend, all the others, they all charge a styling fee that's non-refundable if I don't like anything. So I really do like that Stitch Fix offers this style pass, and that's why I continue to do Stitch Fix. Be honest with you though, the selection of clothes that they have are really yawn and looking like stuff that I've got 5 years ago, and I want something different already. Plus, not to mention I have a ton of clothes already, so I'm looking for unique items. So when most of my closet is Stitch Fix already, I'm kind of bored with it. All right, what do I have? I did get a preview, and that preview allows me to say yes or no to items. And I already made a mistake on my preview. So I didn't realize it when I was selecting the preview. The first item is a Love Ellie Salima V-neck sweater. Unfortunately, the color is burnt orange. I already have a burnt orange sweater by Love Ellie from Stitch Fix. I thought this was red. I'm like, oh, a red V-neck sweater. It is burnt orange. So unfortunately, I already know that I'm going to be sending this back, and it's my fault. I thought it was red in the preview and quickly selected it and then realized later that, oh, it's burnt orange. This is 48% cotton, 32% polyester, 20% nylon. I do love my Love Ellie sweater, same color. $44 I think is an extremely reasonable price for a sweater, and I have no problem with the Love Ellie quality either. My sweater has lasted and I plan to wear it again this fall. This will be going back, but I will try it on for you. The next item that I chose in my fix is this black sweater by Letty and Me. This is the Liana Pointel Detail Cardigan, size extra small for $46. It does have pointel on the shoulders and the upper part of the back, and a little bit of detailing here on the bottom. I received a very similar sweater to this in white. I felt very frumpy in it. Not to say that it's a frumpy sweater, but at least in that particular one, I felt frumpy in it. I do need a black sweater. I will try this on and give it a fair shot. This sweater is 79% rayon, 21% polyester. I would have preferred 100% cotton, but it's a possibility. I'll try it on and see how it looks. And the price of this sweater is $46. Again, a very fair price. Okay, next item, which my stylist, who as many of you know is also my friend, picked for me. First thing that she picked for me was something from my saved items list. This is the Cut from the Cloth Reese High-Wise double button something, size 0 for $89. So they're a dark burgundy color, okay? They're the utility style with flat pockets in the back, double button here in the front. It has zippers here on the side. The bottom, you can adjust the cuff, all right? So it's a straight leg, but if you wanted it to make it more like a jogger style, you can taper the leg and make it closer, all right? These are a possibility. I don't have anything in burgundy as far as pants. Well, I'll take that back. I literally looked in my closet. I do have a pair of burgundy faux leather joggers that I got from Target for like 20 bucks. So I think for the winter, I can justify a pair of burgundy pants, and that's why I had them on my list, and I will give them a shot, especially since we know that burgundy is going to be a very on-trend color this season. So I will give these a shot. I'm excited about these. Okay, next item that she sent over is, and I think I had this on my list because this kept popping up on my freestyle, the Less Serene Meridian Sweater Vest in gray, size extra small, $42. Okay, this sweater vest is, let's see, 55% acrylic, 45% cotton. It's a cable knit style. I would not say it's fitted. It kind of looks wide and boxy. I will try it on. I'll be honest with you, all right? It didn't excite me a lot when I saw it in my thing, and I think I might have saved it even though it didn't excite me. And here it comes, and it still doesn't excite me. So this is probably a no. There's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't excite me. All right, let me look at the pants and see what the fabric content of the pants are. I can tell you they're a really soft, like brushed material, so they will collect lint. I can tell you that much on these pants. Let's see, 67% cotton, 30% viscose, and 3% spandex. Not bad, not bad. That's what it looks like at least. All right, yeah, the most things so far I'm excited about are these pants. Next thing up I'm excited about maybe is the cardigan. Last item is the Letty and Me Walker fitted sweater in gray, extra small, $46. So I do like fitted sweaters, but I do have already a gray fitted turtleneck and a regular gray sweater. And this has like the lattice front detail in front. It's okay. I just don't think I need it because I already have two gray sweaters. And come to think of it, I have like a taupe colored vest already. Again, I don't think I need gray. So, but I will try them on. So they're not bad options, but none of them are really exciting for me, and except for maybe the pants. So give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up is the gray sweater. In her note, Shannon said, how do I feel about the lattice? I'll be honest with you, Shannon, I'm kind of over it. I do have that lattice back detail sweater from, you know, Letty and Me. I think it's Letty and Me or whoever it is. I love Ellie. And I do like that. I do have another one that has the crisscross front. I think I got from a mix and match box years ago. I don't get rid of my clothes just because they're dated. If I like them, I'm going to keep them. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to want to continue buying that style. I think I'm set on this style right now. So no more of this style if you can help it. All right, the pants, excited about these. So burgundy is a color that's going to be really on trend this year. These are a slim, straight style, so they're not really grabbing my ankle. Tons of stretch, can bend my legs without it being too tight. They fit perfectly, as cotton cloth usually does work quite well for me. They have pockets here, the utility or pork chop pockets here in front, plus extra smaller pockets in case you need to put a credit card or something in these pockets. It is deep enough to put a credit card in here. It does have these two flat pockets in the back that are working with snaps on them. I'm a-digging these pants. I'm a-digging them. And I paired them with my loafers that I got in my last fix. So, all right. So I think I have one winner. How much did I say these were? $89? I think I said these were $89. I have to look. All right. Oh, and they're a Stitch Fix exclusive. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the vest. Okay, I have on the sweater vest. Don't like it. For one, it has these slits here, but they're really high, so you can actually see my sides. Even if I wore a shirt underneath this, I just don't like that. Don't get me wrong, split sides are okay, but this one comes up quite long. The shape of it just kind of like hangs, and yeah, I don't like it. Don't like the way it fits on me. I think it's just kind of straight and just hangs here with this flap and these slits. And it puckers here a little bit here at the arms, and I would have to say the underarm is fitting pretty good. So it's not like you can't not wear, you know, this without a shirt underneath. It's fine. So this is a no. Let me show you the back of it. All right, and let's try on the cardigan while we're here, and let me make a decision about this cardigan. I don't know. I feel frumpy in it. So no to the cardigan. The sleeves are long, but that's to be expected because I'm short. But just overall, it just feels like a baggy, loose fit, and I feel frumpy. I don't feel cute in this sweater. So the sweater is going back, even though I do need a black sweater. I think I'd rather look for something too 100% cotton, maybe something not cropped, but more of the grandpa style and similar to the other cardigans that I recently purchased from Loft. I'm looking more towards that than this type of cardigan. So no to the cardigan, no to the sweater vest, and we all know that I'm returning that burnt orange sweater because it's a duplicate, but give me a minute and I'll try it on. Okay, I have the sweater on and it is also too big. So as you can see, I have it untucked and it's like a tunic length style on me. I don't think it's supposed to be tunic length, but it is. I also don't care. I know it's kind of strange, but a lot of people like it. But when I look at this, to me this looks like a onesie and it should just be pulled underneath and pulled together. I don't like that kind of detail. I'd rather have it straight across or just like a middle, a slight like thing. But when it's like this, to me, it looks like it belongs like as a onesie. And this is my fault. I saw it online, but when I saw it online, I envisioned one, it fitting different, and two, being like a solid red, and three, it's just way too low cut in the front because again, I'm 5'2". So the sweater is overall too big. Excuse the pants. I didn't bother changing the pants, but I would never wear these two color combinations together. Don't worry about that. So all tops are going back, but I am keeping the pants. I'm kind of excited about these. These go great with, you know what, I also have those burgundy loafers too. I bet I can wear that, you know, and wear that with this. It gives me a little bit of height. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about the burgundy pants. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. And take care. Till next time.